just to adore you, my Lord, my Lord. Break my pride. I want to go down and dive in the waters of your love. Purify me. I want to be cleansed, just like Mabel.